Hi, I'm Kat Mortensen with the PR Minute. If you're new here, this is a space where I share pro tips for getting good press to grow your brand and your business. Today I want to talk to you about Twitter. For some years, Twitter has been the go-to social media site for reporters. So you'll want to start following reporters who cover your field or industry. This is going to benefit you in at least 3 ways. First of all, it's going to allow you to be knowledgeable about what those reporters are covering, what they're writing about. You'll get to know what their niche is, what their interests are, and then you can jump in and be a resource to them and offer story pitches that are relevant to what they're already writing about. Secondly, sometimes reporters will put requests out on Twitter for sources for their stories. This will give you an opportunity to jump in and get your voice into their stories. And finally, Twitter is just a good place to be in general because it keeps you up to the minute on breaking news. And so much about having success with earned media is being timely. If you can get your story into a reporter, get your pitch in early in the news cycle, you have a much better chance of getting into that story. I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you next time on the PR Minute.